Second part, listening discrimination, instruction. In this section of the test, you will hear several sentences. If a word is used correctly within the sentence, mark incorrect. If all of the words within the sentence are used correctly based on the context of the sentence, mark correct. 1. He was tired and went to bed. 2. She is my best friend. 3. The opposite of east is waste. 4. My pen has no ink. 5. Please send the letter. 6. Did you sell the car? 7. My favorite color is red. 8. Put salt and pepper on the salad. 9. Mother was mad at us. 10. Plant the seed and a flower will grow. 11. The bad children were punished. 12. The bride is very lovely. 13. That store has cheap prices. 14. I ate chicken and rice. 15. My watch tells perfect time. 16. He couldn't catch the ball. 17. My shoes hurt my feet. 18. We met the new teacher. 19. March is a windy city. And 20. I can reach the top shelf.